public health. Who else can I see here? Emmanuel from Lagos, and he's a teacher. Oluwakemi, Lagos, fashion. Dare Omotayo, Lagos. Henrietta Umwahia, Lagos, nice. Mike Eze, Ogun State, pharmacist. All right, that is amazing. Taiwo from Ibadan is an entrepreneur. Augustus is an entrepreneur. Solomon Ogunyemi, a vet student at UI. Tony, Ondo State, accountant. It's so nice to have everyone here. Please, it's important that we mute ourselves, all right, so that you don't distract every other person. So without further ado, we're just going to get started. Today, we'll be talking about switching into technology. Switching into technology. We found out in the course of, helping people to transition into tech that a lot of people are in sectors that they want to get out of. All right. Some people are in banking, some people are in education, some people are in medicine. And two things, they either want to see how they will move fully into tech, or they find a way to merge both of them. So you can say med tech, all right? You can say fashion tech. You can say agro tech. They want to be able to see how they can merge both of them together, all right? And that's one thing we're going to be talking to you about today. Either you want to move in fully, or you want to see how you can actually take tech and put into what you're currently doing. You're going to find the answers today. All right, but just some housekeeping rules before we get started. It's important that you mute your mics, okay, so that you don't distract anyone who is speaking to you or even distract other people. I mean, a foundational rule is when you get into a virtual meeting, you mute yourself. And when you want to speak, you simply click on the raise hand button and the host will call on you to speak, and then you can unmute yourself and say something, all right? Then make sure that your audio is good, just in case you want to speak. Make sure it is good, audible enough, so that we can hear what you're saying. And then ensure that you are seated and settled for the session, okay? Any form of distraction around you, please take it away, because you need to fully immerse yourself in this session, all right? So that you don't say, oh, I did not hear that. Oh, I didn't hear this. You need to hear it fully, okay? So we're going to take one more video, a testimonial video, all right, before we go on. Because we are very proud of what we do at Utiva, we want you to be able to hear our
For me, the
stories.
Utiva product school is about.
Okay, so let's hear this one.
Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Let me tell you how I became a data analyst, and I'm helping other people do the same. Sometimes last year, I stumbled on an article about data analytics, and I felt like, oh, this was like a perfect way to transition into the data analytics, or in the tech space, if I must say. So I looked up for schools that were available, and Utiva was all up in my face, a lot of recommendations, and I think that was like the best part of the whole process, because right now I'm a data analyst and it's just in a few months. After my experience with the Data Accelerator program, I made a conscious decision to help other people be like me. So currently, I coach the Utiva Data Science Fellowship program, and the beautiful part of it is that I'm available even after the program to hold your hands until you can stand alone. Even after the program, you get to be a part of the Utiva Data Science community. So to become a data analyst like myself and tell your story in the next few months, click on the link and let's get started. Cheers. Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Let me tell you how I became a data analyst, and I'm helping other people.
Okay, guys, I'm sure that you heard her testimony, and how many of you are super excited to actually become either a data analyst or a product manager or a UI UX designer, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you are excited, like you can't wait to actually become a data analyst or a product designer or a product manager and just do better for yourself. Let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know, do you want to become a data analyst? Do you want to become a product designer? Let me know what your goal is. All right? I'm waiting, guys, in the comments. Good.
For me, the Utiva product school was about the facilitators. I'm somebody who is always interested in sitting with people who've been there, done that, who understand the industry and can better guide me. And so far, my facilitators have not come short. They've given to us, they've taught us from years of experience. My name is Tom. I am a product manager. I am currently interested in building B2B solutions that could help to solve clients' pain points and ultimately generate revenue for companies. Some time ago, I was looking to transition from being an IT manager to product management. And I saw somewhere where one of my influencers mentioned that to be a better product manager, you need to be well trained, you need to know exactly what you're in for. And there I saw Utiva post also on LinkedIn, and I felt, oh, this is exactly the opportunity I need. With Utiva, I've learned so much about how to be a successful product manager, from product thinking to design thinking, to carrying out users research, to understanding customers' pain points and developing personas. It's been amazing. I believe I've been equipped with all that I need to excellently manage products.
Guys, this can also be your story in the next few months. If you start today, especially today, to listen in today's masterclass and make a solid decision. All right, this can be your story. This could be you that will be streaming to other people in the next few months saying, hey, he came in, Kayode came in, Emmanuel came in and didn't know what he wanted to do. But now he's a product manager, he's a product designer, he's a data analyst, doing amazingly well for himself. All right. So I'm going to let us know how we need to take today's class. But let me show you. I need to share my screen with you.
Yes.
There's someone that is not muted, that is always talking. I need help in figuring who that person is. Possibly we take the person away because I already said mute yourselves.
Hey guys.
Please bear with me. Okay, so today, what are we doing with ourselves? Why are you here? What are we going to be discussing, right? We are going to talk about Utiva and let you know how you can get learning in technology. And then I will show you how we can get started with our learning today in our masterclass breakout rooms, okay? So let me tell you about Utiva just briefly, okay? We are a technology education company that has trained roughly over 20,000 people in 15 different countries around the world. And I mean countries like USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Germany, Sweden, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, and even our beloved Nigeria. Over the years, as we have trained people, we have seen people that have gone to earning low income to actually earning big in their various space. I mean, this morning, I still shared a job with the community about, it was a $5,000 customer support specialist job, okay? A customer support earning about $5,000. That is the beauty of a premium digital skill, a premium tech skill. All right. And this is not even just to, sweet talk you, because we have the proof. We have people who have gone ahead to relocate, people who have gone from who have gone from their old jobs to changing their jobs, earning better, building products, working with international organizations. And that's one thing that gives us fulfillment at Utiva. When you're done learning and you go to implement and you get a better life and you come back to say, hey, thank you for setting me on this path. That is one thing that we are really, really grateful for. All right. And that's just our history in summary. We've done quite a lot collaborating with organizations and all of that. So my biggest question to you now is, why are you here? Because if you don't sort out your why, there is nothing you're going to get out of this masterclass today. You need to know why you're here. What is your pain point? Is it your job? Are you tired? Is it your circle? Maybe you have a circle of tech bros and tech sis, and you see them talking about, oh, UI, UX, user testing, and they're talking about money, and they're talking in a different currency than you are, that you are not speaking in, right? So what is your big why? Are you here to change your family story? Are you here because you want to relocate and you need a tech skill? Gone are those days when you travel out and you're saying you want to wash plates. Hey, that's so old school. This is 2021. You can learn a premium tech skill and travel out and do better with yourself. Okay. So why are you here? What's that? Okay. Why are you here? What's your big why? Anyway, for some of you, I know that you want to learn about the hidden opportunities in tech, just like the customer support job I just told you about, right? And you want to see how we can aid you to transition into tech, or by infusing it in your current career. Or maybe you want to be able to network with top professionals. You want to gain access to communities of these professionals in tech. All right. And then maybe you want to learn about Utiva and what you stand to gain by being a part of the Utiva community. Well, you're going to have all the answers here. Okay. In a few minutes, you'll be going into your breakout rooms and you're going to have the answers. Well, just to say quickly, we have 5 breakout rooms, and in these breakout rooms, you need to choose the one that you want. Okay, we have data accelerator, we have cloud computing, we have product management, we have product design. It is important that you choose one. If you don't choose one and you stay in the main room, I'm going to have to force you into one, okay? So it's important that you choose one and go into it. For those of you who says you are excited to be a data analyst, then you need to go into the data analytics room by the time it pops into your screen, okay? Now you're going to have a trainer that will be assigned to each breakout room. All right. And then you have 40 minutes to learn in that breakout room and 10 minutes for the question and answers. And then we'll be back here in the main room to have a general conversation, and then we'll now go. All right. We are also going to have a little networking activity, all right, to help you get to know one another briefly. Okay. So what are these different breakout rooms? What are these different sessions? As you can see on the screen, Room 1 is for data incubator. Now, this is for you if you are just getting started. You don't understand what data analytics is and you want to have an idea what it is. Then the data incubator room is for you, okay? There is a data accelerator room as well. You already got into data and you understand a bit of it, but then you want to, take it top notch. Then you go to data accelerator room. The room 3 is for product design. For those of you who want to get into UI, UX, then you get into the product design room, okay? Then there's the cloud computing room, okay? You want to understand cloud. You've been hearing so much about Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, the Google Cloud. Then this is for you, okay? You want to know how you can host things in the cloud computing room is for you. And then the 5th room is for the programming, those who want to code, front end, back end, full stack. You want to learn all these things. Then the room 5 is for you, okay? So without wasting so much of our time, we are going to head right now into these breakout rooms, okay? The hosts, please, can you have the breakout rooms pop up? so that people can begin to go into their rooms, okay? Guys, if you're excited, let me see the dance emoji. Give me some energy in the comment section, okay? If you're excited to go into your breakout room, give me some energy in the comment section. Let me know that you're happy. Great, Oluwakemi, thank you so much for that. Nice. Can the host please pop up the breakout rooms? Okay, I think I've seen it, not to worry. Okay, just quickly, I need to assign a room for, okay, so there is no room for product management because they have a product fest in the evening by 4 p.m. Okay, so I'm just going to open all rooms now and then we get in. You have 60 seconds to get into your room. It should be on your screen now. Guys, if you're using your phone, just by the top left of your screen, you're going to see something saying join breakout room. Okay, just click on it and then you select what you want and then click on join at the top left of your screen. If you're using your phone, of course. Okay, guys, let's do this quickly. $60 seconds. Kolawole, are you using your phone? If you are, click on, you're going to see it at the top left of your screen. It has like 4 boxes saying join breakout room. You click on it and select what you want. Abisola, which room do you want to join so that I can just add you manually? Let me know. Mike, is the same for you? Let me know which room, then I'll add you manually. Abisola, data science. Okay. Added you already. Cocolet, data accelerator. Done that already. Kolawole, product design. Done. Mike is a programming. Done. Zainab, programming. Ali Yusuf, data accelerator. Kemjika, programming. Steph Nora, I'll add you now to programming. The remaining guys on the call, I need you to join a breakout room. Sebi Alabi says product management. Product management is going to happen in the evening. They have a product first. So I'll just add you to UI UX. That's product design. Ginika, what room do you want to get into? People are joining breakout rooms. Which program are you looking at joining? So I'll add you to it manually. Ochuwa Umekwe says product design. I'll do that right away. Okay, Ginika says programming. Done. Okay, so for the other guys on the call, I'm just going to add you to the rooms since you're not going in yourself. I'll do you the honors.
scale of 1 to 10, obviously I would rate this a 10. There are very, very few of such programs existing in Africa.
I'm not sure there's anything similar to this anywhere else.
For me, it's a 10. I've seen data analytics classes that have been like really that facilitators don't know what they are doing. They have no experience with data manipulation, data handling.
It's commonly said that data is oil. So it's like the powerhouse of everything that you do.
There's a word we use now that data is new oil for. This that will eventually be what powers the world.
Hey guys, here's exactly how I trained over 1,000 students with the Utiva Design School. I'm Timmy, and I'm a principal software architect with Across the Horizon Technologies, a company based in the United States of America. If your aim is to find a career that's pretty engaging and lucrative in today's economy, the product design Cohort is for you. By delegating the needs to code to developers and separating the design aspect of creating websites and softwares, we've made it in such a way that the curriculum caters to people with the most basic of computer science skills. This in turn makes it easy for you to be valuable to businesses that you're working for and the users that will be making use of your websites or your applications. I look forward to seeing you in classes where we'll be hosting mentorships, questions, chit chats, all the way till you are pretty much able to stand on your own 2 feet. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Yes, it's been a really lovely course so far because I'm actually attending the course from Canada, and it's 4 a.m. 10 p.m. is 4 a.m. I had to set about 3 alarms just to make sure I did not miss the course, and I do not regret it. I mean, it's been really, really awesome from Ricky to Genevieve to Toby. And I really love the interaction that the class is coming with. So I would just like to say a big thank you to the organizers. Thank you.
Great. And my regards to everyone in Canada. So I would have
Yes, it's been a really lovely course so far because I'm actually attending the course from Canada, and it's 4 a.m. 10 p.m. is 4 a.m. I had to set about 3 alarms just to make sure I did not miss the course, and I do not regret it. I mean, it's been really, really awesome from Ricky to Genevieve to Toby, and I really love the interaction that the class is coming with. So I would just like to say a big thank you to the organizers. Thank you.
Great. And my regards to everyone in Canada. So I would have
The class has been really awesome. I mean, initially when I signed up, I have no idea what product design is. I don't know anything. And I remember speaking to a friend and he said, "Oh, how long is the program for?" And I said 3 weeks. And he said, "What makes you think you're going to learn anything within 3 weeks? Those guys probably want to rip you off." And at the end of last week, he saw my notes from Genevieve's class last week and he was like, "How in God's name are you guys able to cover this much in just one weekend class?" And I told him, if Utiva says I'm going to learn a lot in 3 weeks, I believe I'm going to learn a lot in 3 weeks. And I actually have learned a lot from last week's class. Like the lectures are quite extensive. And you actually learn a lot within a short period of time. So that is one thing to give kudos to the facilitators for. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Let me tell you how I became a data analyst and I'm helping other people do the same. Sometimes last year I stumbled on an article about data analytics and I felt like, oh, this was like a perfect way to transition into the data analytics or in the tech space, if I must say. So I looked up for schools that were available and Utiva was all up in my face, a lot of recommendations, and that, I think that was like the best part of the whole process because right now I'm a data analyst and it's just in a few months. After my experience with the Data Accelerator program, I made a conscious decision to help other people be like me. So currently, I coach the Utiva Data Science Fellowship Program, and the beautiful part of it is that I'm available even after the program to hold your hands until you can stand alone. Even after the program, you get to be a part of the Utiva Data Science community. So to become a data analyst like myself and tell your story in the next few months, click on the link and let's get started. Cheers. Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Let me tell you how I became a data analyst and I'm helping other people do the same. Sometimes last year I stumbled on an article about data analytics and I felt like, oh, this was like a perfect way to transition into the data analytics or in the tech space, if I must say. So I looked up for schools that were available, and Utiva was all. Hello guys, I'm offering you free knowledge transfer. Let me tell you how I became a data analyst, and I'm helping other people do the same. Sometimes last year, I stumbled on an article about data analytics, and I felt like, oh, this was like a perfect way to transition into the data analytics or in the tech space, if I must say. So I looked up for schools that were available, and Utiva was all up in my face, a lot of recommendations, and I think that was like the best part of the whole process, because right now I'm a data analyst and it's just in a few months. After my experience with the Data Accelerator program, I made a conscious decision to help other people be like me. So currently, I coach the Utiva Data Science Fellowship program, and the beautiful part of it is that I'm available even after the program to hold your hands until you can stand alone. Even after the program, you get to be a part of the Utiva Data Science community. So to become a data analyst like myself and tell your story in the next few months, click on the link and let's get started. Cheers.
Okay, guys, I think that one of my colleagues that is supposed to host the session probably dropped off, or mic is off. Guys, please, how was the session? How was the masterclass? I think this is the time, or how was the breakout room? You know, this is the time I would like you to jump into the comment section and quickly drop me your feedback. I want to know if you got value before I hand it over back to my colleague, you know, to take it on from here. Okay, Adedeji, thank you so much for being the first person to tell me that it was amazing. I love that. I love amazing things. You know, who wouldn't? Adedeji, thank you so much for that. And I see other people also run it. It was interesting, amazing time. It was amazing. It was awesome. Powerful, insightful, enlightening. Okay, I think this is the use of English now. Someone says the product design class was amazing. Oh, you joined late. I do apologize for that. Okay. Now, remember, guys, remember that the essence of doing all these master classes is to help you kickstart a career in the technology industry. And that's pretty much what I want to emphasize today, right? For as many people in the room that would like to get started, you know, you've heard that the technology industry is an amazing space. You've seen it yourself, and now you are convinced that this is the best time for you to get started. Now, I would say categorically, you know, without any element of doubt in me, that if you are looking for a place to flourish and really do well, I would recommend that you think of the technology industry, because this is certainly one of the best industries that you can ever get into. And then you've also heard the testimonials of many of our
Hello,
students.
guys.
One of them that excites me is the one that I just heard. Hello, guys. Divine is an amazing woman. A young lady got into the Utiva program as a data analyst herself, and then she moved on.
Yes, it's been a real.
I do apologize for that. I'm trying to move my. And then she moved on from there to doing awesome things herself, starting a career as a data analyst, and also becoming a coach, where she can also coach, or she's also coaching other people, right? So we've also gone into the breakout rooms to learn, to ask questions, to talk to, the coaches that were there. And I also got the feedback that the breakout rooms were fantastic. Now, let me walk you through how we have designed our learning programs, right? For as many people on this call, that would like to get into the Utiva learning program. Now, every Utiva training program is hands-on. It is delivered by coaches that are industry experts, people like the guys that you've met, and then you just don't come into the Utiva learning program to learn the theories. You need to graduate from the Utiva program with an evidence that you went to school. And the evidence here is not just your certificate. Of course, you will get a certificate if you attend one of the Utiva learning programs. You will get a certificate, but I do need to mention, that the most important one is the portfolio of the activities, the project, the capstone project that you have worked on. Now, when you get into the Utiva learning program, you will work on a capstone project. You will work on assignment. You will work on projects. And those projects are the evidence. They are the evidence that, you have gone through a learning program. Right. Now, let me quickly walk you through how we have designed our training program, because I think that is very important. How have we designed our learning programs? Every learning program at Utiva is done as a live class online, not a physical class. It's a live class online. Although we give you the option, if you are close to the Utiva office and you feel that home can be very distracting, you can bring your laptop and come to the Utiva office. However, you need to still join the class online. Classes at Utiva run online. And we have said it multiple times. The value of live classes, when I say online, it means that you'll be sitting down with a trainer live like this, and you will be interacting with the trainer and also interacting with other people in your class. Now, this is big value because each class is recorded. Sorry, I have a heartburn. Now, each class is recorded. All the classes are recorded, right? Now, why is a recorded class valuable? It is valuable to you because you don't have to run extra skater when you need support. You can literally just go back to the video that is recorded and watch it again. Now, at the end of all the classes, you have to work on projects and assignments, capstone project. There's a Utiva community, coaches, cohort captains, trainers, and your fellow colleagues that are supporting you in class. When you graduate from the learning program, there is also, a community that we have built to continue to engage you and support you. Now, the Utiva learning program is quite fun because from day one, when you get to class, we have you into a WhatsApp group where you can interact and build relationship with other trainers, other learners like yourself. And when you graduate from the training program, there's a community that you join. That's a community where you are being engaged, right? You're looking for a recommendation letter because you're looking for a job, you need a recommendation letter. Utiva would always be there to support your journey. So let's talk about what can you learn from Utiva. What can you learn from Utiva? So I think that is one of the things I really, really, really want to talk about today. What can you learn from Utiva? Because some of you are asking, okay, what can I learn? And I'm going to run through these in just a few minutes. Now, Utiva has built its structure to help you learn any technology skill that you want to learn. And I'm going to be showing you right from my screen now that we have built our platform to help you learn every technology skill that you want to learn and help you become successful. So for example, you come to Utiva, right? You can get into our data science fellowship program. Our data science fellowship program is intensive 3 to 4 month learning program in data science. Everything you need to know in data science, 3 to 4 months, we are drilling you. That program is designed specifically for those that want to relocate, because we know that, you want to relocate, we've designed the training to be very intensive and exclusive for you. Number 2 is this. If you also want to learn through what is called the Utiva Data Accelerator, right? Utiva Data Accelerator is for you if you already have some work experience and then you want to also learn data analytics. You already have some job experience, you're a banker, you're an HR manager, you are this, you are that. Come into the Utiva Data Accelerator program. The Utiva Data Incubator is usually for starters, although there are people who are not starters, but they already have some experience, but they want to learn how to use Microsoft Excel to the advanced level for data analytics. They get into our incubator program. Now, we have the Become a Product Manager program, which is product management. The product management training program is for product managers, right? You want to lead in the technology industry. You are the person who works with the designer, the developer, the data scientist, everyone in the organization to build a mobile phone and take that product to market. The product fellowship, the Utiva product management program is for you. Right. You want to learn more than what we have designed in the Utiva product management program, you can come into the Utiva product management fellowship program. There is an analytics with Python program for those who just want to learn Python for data science. Python for data science. And then there's cloud fundamentals for those that want to become, cloud professionals. I mean, if you were in the cloud breakout room, this is your course. And there's a product designers class for those that want to get into Utiva product design or UI UX design class. And we don't stop there. There's front-end developers program, back-end developers program, full stack developers program. We have built all these learning programs for you to learn, whatever you would like to learn in the technology space, right? And become, better in your career. Now, one thing I need to mention though is this. Oh, I didn't show you this. I didn't show you this. I didn't show you this. I need to quickly show you because someone is asking me, how do I pay for the learning program? It's very, very easy. Very easy. Just go to your browser and type utiva.io/utiva.io/start. Right? That's all you need to do. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all. utiva.io/start. That's all. You see all our learning programs that I just listed, everything. Everything, you see them there. So let's say that, Isaac want to pay for our data incubators program. But Isaac, before you pay, you want to learn more, right? You can click on learn more. It will bring you all other information that you need to know about the program. You can read more about the program. If I were you, Isaac, I would download the brochure here where I can read more about the program, right? If you download the brochure, you have more information about the program. A little bit more information so that you are not confused. All the details you need to know. But let's say that you are ready to jump into class, right? All you need to do is to click on enroll now. That's all you need to do. When you click on enroll now, it pops up. Can you see my screen though? Can you wave your hand if you can see my screen? Okay, good. All you need to do is, you have 2 payment options. Do you want to pay full time, full payment, or you want to pay part payment? Any of the 2. So let's say that you want to pay full payment, just click on full payment. It brings the page where you make your payment. Shikena. Once you have made your payment, you get into class immediately. That's all. The process is simple. We've made it simple. Why? Because technology makes life simple. Let me go through it again. You go to utiva.io, slash what? /start or /school. I'll do /school now. Utiva.io /school. Then you see all our learning programs. Let's say you want to become a product manager. You click on enroll now. You want to do part payment. You click on part payment. It brings a page for you to make payments. And then automatically, once you have paid, guess what? It takes you into class directly. Now, one more thing I need to mention. I know that for some reason, you may still be confused. That, okay, should I do data, product design, cloud? Which one should I do? Programming? We have made it easy for you. We run live classes, during the weekday, 5 p.m. in the evening. You can talk to anyone on the Utiva team. Just join. We will be there to answer your questions and walk you through whatever you have as a challenge. We'll be there. My colleague Amara just dropped a link now. That is the link. Just click on the link. Our team will reach out to you immediately. We will invite you into any of our evening sessions where we will be there to answer whatever question you have or whatever you want to know to get into data science. Now, let me ask you something. Just quickly get into the chat room and tell me, what technology skill do you want to learn? What technology skill do you want to learn? Now, that is where this is becoming exciting, because I want to know the technology skill that you really want to learn. What tech skill do you want to learn? What is the technology skill that you would like to learn? Okay, keep it coming. This is interesting. Okay, what is that number one technology skill that you would like to learn? I'm seeing programming, data analytics, product design. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. What is that one single technology skill that you would like to learn? What is that one skill that you would like to learn? Okay, interesting. Now, before we call it a day, right, remember that our team would always be here, to support you. If you need to, let's say for the purpose of this conversation, you're still confused, you're asking yourself, okay, how do I get started? What should I even be learning? I need to talk to someone. Don't be confused, right? That's what I would say. Don't be confused. Someone on our team will be available to talk to you. Just fill the form, fill that form, feel free. Someone on our team will be right here to talk to you. Now, finally, before we go, okay, I think people are dropping what they would like to learn. Finally, before we go, two major things that I want to mention, right, that I want to quickly mention. Number one is, if you want to talk to anyone on our team, urgently, you just feel, okay, I need to talk to someone on our team, there is a number you can call right there. Just call the number. Now, my team would also, once you fill the form, someone will send you an email immediately, and you will get access to a WhatsApp number that you can talk to, right there once you fill the form. Okay. Now, it's been a very beautiful time. I want to believe that it's been a very interesting time. But before you leave, this is the time where I would ask you to give us your feedback. How has it been with you right here? I know that you've had a very good time. You've told me that, but I would like you to quickly, jump on the chat room and give us your review. How has it been? Have you had a very good time? Drop a review. We will be happy, to hear from you. How has been the session? Have a beautiful time. Remember to give us your review. We will always be happy, to hear from you every time. Thank you for coming this beautiful morning. I hope that you have a very beautiful and safe weekend. See you soon during the week if you need more information. Cheers, guys.